Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we have something special for you. We'll be exploring the top 5 best video generation tools. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. This tool is Vidnami. With its powerful capabilities, Vidnami can transform text into captivating videos. You can add your own personal touch by incorporating images, logos, and even background music. Now, let's move on to our second video generation tool, Lumen 5. This incredible tool can automatically generate videos from your existing articles. Just input the text, and Lumen 5 takes care of the rest by adding relevant images, music, and transitions. Up next, we have Animaker, a versatile tool that allows you to create both 2D and 3D videos. Unleash your creativity with Animaker's vast collection of animations, characters, and customizable templates. Animated Explore Widgets. This AI-powered video creation platform offers professional-grade video editing capabilities. You'll have access to customizable templates, making it easier than ever to produce engaging and visually stunning videos. Last but certainly not least, we have Biteable. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned professional, Biteable has got you covered. It provides a user-friendly interface with an extensive library of footage, animations, and pre-designed templates, allowing you to create impressive videos effortlessly. And there you have it, the top 5 best video generation tools. These tools offer unique features and functionalities that can take your video creation skills to the next level. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or business owner, incorporating these tools into your workflow can save you time and enhance your video's impact. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Also, feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments below. Until next time, take care and happy video creation.